Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Mal and I am the owner and maker of Made by Manny and Mal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a really pretty and simple floral leopard tumbler. Now this is a cup I made a few months ago. We did a cup swap in my mentorship group, MANDM Elite, and I happened to get one of my really good friends, Rachel. She's the owner of Mint and Made Craft. And so I'm going to show you the tumbler that I made for her for the cup swap. I had a lot of fun making this tumbler and I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I upload brand new tumbler tutorials every Tuesday and Saturday and you don't want to miss them, so make sure you subscribe. I will have a full supply list of everything I'm using in this video linked down below in the description box. I'll also have links to all of my social media pages if you'd like to follow along with me anywhere else. And if you'd like to join my Facebook group or my exclusive mentorship group, MANDM Elite, the links for those will be in the description box as well. Okay, I think that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go. We'll be using a 30-ounce skinny straight tumbler from Craft Haven for this design. I base painted the cup with rustic pink from Rust-Oleum, and now we are going to make a custom glitter mix for the tumbler. I'm going to be using a lot of glitters here. All of them except for one are from Peachy Olive Glitters. I will have them all listed down below in the description box along with my discount code if you'd like to order any of them. And I'll post the full recipe in the description box as well so you know all of my ratios and amounts for this specific mix. Did I make a literal ton of this glitter? Yes, I absolutely did. So I will be using this in the future. So if you see this mix, just know this is the Rachel mix. So I'm going to mix this all together really, really well, bottle it, and then we will put it on our tumbler. Now as my adhesive for this, I'm going to use the Crystalac glitter glue, so I'm going to squeeze a hefty amount onto my cup, brush it all on, and then we are going to cover the entire cup with our glitter. I'm going to let my cup sit and dry for at least 2 hours, and then I'm going to go in and seal it with the glitter glue. Before I do that, I'm going to roll my cup up in my scrapbook paper to make sure that my glitter is laying as flat as possible. I don't want any pokey bits or any difficulty sanding later on, so I'm going to make sure that all of that chunky glitter we have in this mix is as flat as possible. I'm going to tap off any excess, and then I'm going to go in with my glitter glue and seal it. Now I made this cup before I started mixing my 50-50 water and glitter glue ratio, so for this one I'm just going in with the straight glitter glue right out of the bottle, sealing my glitter, and I'm going to let this dry for at least 2 hours before I go in with my epoxy. I'm going to do 2 coats of epoxy before I am ready to do my decals. If you need more epoxy because your glitter is
chunky. I would recommend doing like 2 coats and then sanding down and then doing your next coat until your cup is smooth enough for your decals. So once my cup was smooth enough, I went in with this really pretty floral bundle. I believe I got this on Etsy. I will have it linked down below in the description box though. But basically what I did was size it as big as I could for my print and cut. I really want this to take up like almost the entire length of my cup, so I made it as big as I could, and then I had my silhouette cut it out. Now there's a lot of really fine lines in this floral bundle, so you'll see that I left some little pieces on the paper, but once I've got this placed on my cup, I'm going to go back in with my tweezers and just place those little pieces by hand, so we can have a full image. So I'm putting this, as you can see, vertically on my tumbler. Like I said, I wanted it to take up a lot of space on here, and I'm just making sure that I get this laying as flat as possible. I get all of those tiny little pieces laying down, and then I'll go back in and hand place all of those little stray pieces. After all my florals were placed, I went in with another very thin coat of epoxy, and now I'm going to take my white paint pen. This is a Posca paint pen. They're my absolute favorite. They're so good. And I'm going to outline all of these floral elements. Now, I got a little carried away with doing this, so you'll see there's a lot of white paint and kind of sketchiness here. Now, you can do as much or as little of this as you want to. I really wanted to make this a little more whimsical, like make it just kind of more my style, I guess. So I went in and did a lot of outlining, a lot of paint markering, but again, this is totally up to you how much or how little you want to do this. Once I was done with the white outlines, I took a gold paint pen and I just added a few little gold dot touches, like in the middle of the sunflowers, around the outsides a little bit, just to add a small little bit of extra detail. I let the paint dry for about an hour, and then I went in with another coat of epoxy on top of that, and now we're going to go in with our leopard print elements. So I'm using this really pretty green chrome vinyl. This is from Teckwrap Craft. This is their bubble-free chrome. It cuts and weeds so nicely, and it's so beautiful. So I cut out my leopard spots. This is the fuzzy leopard SVG file from Bear Trends Digi Designs. I'll have that link down below in the description box, of course. And I'm just basically hand placing these all over the floral area, all over the back of the tumbler, filling in all of this blank space with my green vinyl. And then I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more of the kind of pink vibe. So I cut out some more leopard spots. This is also Teckwrap Craft vinyl. It's a really pretty rose gold. So I cut out the same leopard, the same size, everything, and I'm just placing a few of those rose gold spots in the areas where we don't have any green spots, just kind of mixing them together, filling in all of that space. And then I went in with my final coats of epoxy. I did 2 final coats over the vinyl. I also added a little personal touch to the bottom of the tumbler. Rachel and I were at TumblerCon together and we took this really cute picture. I love her so much. I wanted to put this picture on the bottom of the cup so she can look at me anytime she wants. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.
Okay. What else am I saying?